Hello YouTube, this is David, and I'm going to be showing you my wind-up deck profile. So let's just get straight to it. We have the three sharks. He has to be one of my favorite wind-ups. Also, the rabbit. As everyone knows that knows this deck, rabbit starts off a lot of the combos. So shark, then rats. Maybe you could put him at 2, but really late game, he's really good at top deck into. So I play 3. One magician, because Konami hates us. Then 2 soldiers, 2 tour guides. And that's all the windups for the monsters. For the spells, we have 3 Wonder Factories, 3 MSTs, the Trinity, the Heavy Storm, Dark Hole, Monster Reborn, then 1 Pot of Avens, and 1 Tanky. All the spells. We have 3 chains. I like 3 chains. There's a lot of stuff I can just stop and effects that I don't want to go happening. So I like 3 chains. Judgment, Warning, the duo, Double Torrential, Double Bombers, Double Compulse, Double Prison, 1 Mirror Force. I don't like 2 Mirror Force for the plain and simple fact that if you activate 1 Mirror Force, your opponent's gonna know or at least worry about a second one. So yeah, I guess it's a good thing if he worries about the second one. But game 2 and 3, if he goes to game 2 and 3, he's most likely gonna notice that you only run 1, and then not care about it once you activate the first one, and then start a road. So my traps extra deck, we have the Gore Soaking, we have Gaia, Dragon, the Thunder Charger, Terrace, Volcasaurus. They're really good. I love this guy. I love Volcasaurus. I make Terrace more, but I like Volcasaurus a lot. For the 4s, we play Shockmaster, Pappy, Black Ship, Diamond Direwolf, Dweller, and 1 Cowboy. That's my 4s. Leviathan, Giga, Tempo, Invoker, Zenmains, and 1 Stardust. Now there's a card that some of my friends told me that works with the rabbit, which is compulsory escape device. For those who don't know what this does, it basically says each player chooses 1 monster they control, then shuffles then shuffle it into the deck. So basically, how my friend told me to play this card was target a wind up rabbit, and my opponent chooses one of their monsters, and blink away the rabbit. Their monster goes back into the deck. My rabbit doesn't go back into the deck, and will come back during my next standby phase. And if I have another one, just do it again, emptying out their field. He said this is a better card than compulsory, but he didn't say it was a better card. He just said that it's more mean than compulsory. Because I can just keep doing it over and over again. But I like my compulsory because I don't have to target one of my monsters and waste it. You can just compulsory your monster go away. So yeah. Now something I actually want to talk about. This Mirror Force. There are players that told me that this card is amazing. It catches so many players off guard. Yeah, you can catch bad players with this card. You won't catch pro players with this card. Pro players will not run into this card willingly. They either they know it or they don't know where to extend and they start swinging into your face with one monster. But most good players will not run into this card. They will not run into this card. Bad players, they get punished for overextending and being greedy, will run into this card head on. And they get Mirror Force and they get mad because they can go to kill them next turn. Because apparently you play Mirrors. You wind ups. Next turn you go off and poke. So yeah, that's it for the video. I just wanted to say those few things. So I'll catch YouTube. Remember, subscribe, like, and leave a comment behind. See you.